try to know the real ones. It's for real. If you ride for a brother, you're a real one. If you got a brother bag, you're a real one. Always on the side of the truth, you're the real one. Try to grow a brother dream, you're a real one. Real one always go to try for you. Real one could try to never lie to you. He gon' push you, he not gon' break you. He could treat you the same way you treat other people. Now you got to know, no. Don't be every brother get your blood. Don't be every preacher there for church. Got to identify the real ones. You gotta separate the real ones. You go things say you and them they ball. You don't know say them they try to see you fall. You gotta identify the real ones, real ones. Celebrate the real ones. Make we celebrate the real ones. Celebrate the real ones. Celebrate the real ones from afar. You gotta celebrate the real ones. The real ones from afar. Celebrate the real ones. Celebrate the real ones from afar. The real ones. Shout out to my homies. Celebrated me when nobody knew me. Patronized me even when I was a novice. Like bar along together we go get the trophy. I remember those days, I know they sleep for night. You always by my side, you help me join the fight. Always first to listen to the songs I write. You know they shy to tell me if I'm wrong or right. That is when I know. Don't be every brother get your blood. Don't be every preacher there for church. Got to identify the real ones. You gotta separate the real ones. You go things say you and them they ball. You don't know say them they try to see you fall. You gotta identify the